Are your cellular shades looking dingy from dust or stains? We'll show you how to clean your shades the right way without damaging the fabric. Let's get started. Here's what you need: a vacuum with a hose attachment, microfiber cloth, warm water, a mild dish soap, and compressed air. If your shades are looking dingy, it's usually due to surface level dust and dirt. Lift it away by gently sweeping across the fabric with the brush attachment of your vacuum. Do not vacuum without the brush attachment, as it may crumple and deform the fabric. Blow any debris out from inside the fabric cells with a can of compressed air. If your shade has a stain, you can try blotting it away with warm water and a mild dish soap. Dip a lint-free cloth in the soapy water and gently blot the stain away. Do not scrub, as this may cause the fabric to pill. Blot the fabric dry with another clean cloth to prevent water rings. Do not get the fabric overly wet, as it may cause the folds to lose their shape, and never submerge a cellular shade in water. Have more questions? Call us at 800-505-1905 to speak to a Blinds.com expert about your issue.